that will work on the webcam section. Okay, we'll create the webcam. We will set up the webcam in this project at first. Then we will do work on graphics section. Okay, then after that we'll work on the encode generator. Okay, encode or encoding generator. Okay, now what is the encoding generator? Mainly we'll do the face recognition. Okay, we'll insert the data of the face recognition so that the system can recognize that the ability of the data. We will insert multiple amounts of face. Mainly these are the then we'll create the database. Okay, then we'll add content on the database. Then we'll add images. So we must need the real-time option because our project title is that, so it must include the real days, and we will also the limit, set the limit, like give the attendance. Suppose now we cannot give the attendance until the next day.